Your Dyson V6, V7 or V8 is pulsing on and off like this. So you've done everything that the internet has told you to do. There's no blockages in your pipe. It doesn't even matter if the pipes aren't on it, it still does it. You've tapped out the dust from your cyclone. You've cleaned your filter. And you've even put a new filter in it. And it's still pulsing. The cause of this problem is missed by so many people, so don't worry, you're not alone. It's just inside here. There's a flap that's designed to close and stop dust from falling out when you vacuum cleaners like this. So if you got it stood up or hung up on a wall, it stops the dust from falling back out of the bin. But if dust gets behind that flap, or if it gathers around it or it gets gunky or whatever, the flap can easily stay closed, creating a blockage, and hence you get this pulsing problem. Now, to sort this problem out, we first need to remove the bin. On the V7 and V8, you just pull this lever up here, and then underneath there's a little red tab that you press here and it pulls the bin off. On the V6, there's a little red lever that you need to press down twice. Once your bin is off, we need to get behind the flap using your finger or a small screwdriver or something like that, just to remove anything that might be behind it. So I like to get my wife's toothbrush and then stick it down there. If it's really gunky, you might have to just dampen the toothbrush, but we're not wetting it, okay? Scrub all the area around the flap and then around the opening, both inside and out. And then on the hinged part of the flap, you can clean inside the hinge with your brush as best as you can. And then once the flap is opening and closing on its own accord, so just keep tilting the bin to check this, you can then spray it with a little bit of silicone spray. That's just going to lubricate everything, and then try and stick a bit of a cloth in there, dry it all off, make sure it's all nice and clean, leave it for a while if you need to, and then you can get back to vacuum cleaning again as normal. I hope this video has helped. As always, I have loads of Dyson help videos. If you have a V6, this next one is essential to keeping your airflow up. It's how to clean the second filter on your Dyson V6. If you have a V6, a V7 or a V8, make sure too that you're cleaning your filter properly by following this next video here.